Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we'll discuss about the combinations formula with an example. In our previous classes, we clearly discussed about permutations and we have done multiple examples. Please watch those classes and come back here. This is a continuation class. Without understanding the previous, you are not able to understand this class. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, so combinations means selections. How many ways we are able to select something, that we call it as combinations. So permutations means arrangements. How many ways you are going to arrange the things, that is what we call it as permutations. The discussion about these permutations made in our previous classes. Now you need to understand the difference between combinations and selections. From that difference, we are going to understand the formula of combinations. So let's take an example. With example, we are going to understand. Let's take 26 alphabets are there. In our English language, we are having a 26 alphabets. From the 26 alphabets, the question is like this. How many ways we select 5 alphabets from 26 alphabets? Means how many ways you can select 5 alphabets from the available 26 alphabets. That is what selections means. The next question is how many 5-letter words possible with 26 alphabets? Means how many ways you arrange 5-letter words. This is what we call it as permutations, arrangements. So with example, the same example we will show like this. This is what A, B, C, D up to Z. These are the 26 alphabets. From this, how many ways you are going to select 5 alphabets? Means from this 26 alphabets, you can select A, B, C, D, E. This is one selection. B, C, F, M, Z. This is another selection. A, B, D, E, F. This is another selection. A, M, K, H, P, this is another selection. This is what different ways you are able to select alphabets. So these are the number of ways you are going to select 5 alphabets from the available 26 alphabets. This is what selection means. Arrangement means, this is the point you need to understand. Focus here, this is very important. Once you selected A, B, C, D, E, you selected 5 alphabets. These 5 alphabets can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. A, B, C, D, E, A, E, C, D, B, B, E, C, D, A. This is how we are going to arrange. 5 alphabets arranged in 5 positions. 5 factorial ways you are going to arrange. That is what arrangement means. The important point you need to understand see here, the second point also, B, C, F, M, Z. If you selected these 5 alphabets, these 5 alphabets can be arranged again in 5 factorial ways. So these are all the list of arrangements that we can make using these 26 alphabets. So the important point here is, you selected one. This selected 5 alphabets can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. You selected second option. This selected 5 alphabets can be arranged in 5 factorial. How we got this 5 factorial? Discussions made previously. 5 alphabets, you make the arrangements in 5 positions. How many ways you are going to do? 5 factorial ways. Take the next selection. You can arrange them in 5 factorial ways. The point you need to understand here is, for each selection, we can make 5 factorial arrangements. You take the second selection, 5 factorial arrangements. Third selection, 5 factorial arrangements. You need to understand that selection is involved in arrangements. Selection is a process that already involved in arrangements. So you have to bring the selections out from the arrangements. That is what our formula is. How we are going to get that selections out of these arrangements? These are the list of arrangements we have. total arrangements. From this total arrangements, you divide with 5 factorial. You are going to get selections. Yes, that is what division means. Why? Why? Because for single selection, how many ways you are going to arrange? 5 factorial ways. For second selection, 5 factorial ways. For third selection, 5 factorial ways. For fourth selection, 5 factorial ways. You take all the total arrangements. In this total arrangements, if you divide this total arrangements with 5 factorial, you are going to get selections. That is simple division. That is what this division means. So now we are going to understand, with this logic we are going to understand the formula of selections. Let's take this 26 alphabets. This is the n value. Inputs. We are having 26 inputs. So we take it as n. 5 positions. We take it as r value. This 26 alphabets can be arranged in 5 positions. Total number of possible arrangements in 5 positions is given by 5 letter words. This is what we call it as 5 letter words, is given as NPR. This is the formula which we understood in our permutations classes. NPR means n factorial by n minus r factorial. This is what total arrangement means. From this total arrangements, we need to divide with r factorial. Why r factorial? 5 positions, 5 factorial in the above example. We are selecting 5 alphabets from the 26. This is r value. So 5 factorial, r factorial, n factorial by n minus r factorial. This is the formula for NPR, means arrangements. For this formula, divide with r factorial. You are going to get the selections. This is what the selections formula means, combinations formula. This is given as NCR. So what's the equation? What's the formula for NCR? N factorial by n minus r factorial multiplied by r factorial. So multiplication is in the denominator, not for the whole thing. Means we are going to divide with r factorial. Hope you understand the formula for selections. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.